Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how I edited this picture. So the app we'll be using is the Polish app. Then you go to your gallery and pick out the exact picture you want to use, which is this picture that I'll be using. Now what I did was go to my Google Chrome and search for burning paper on tiles. So I downloaded this picture to my gallery. Next thing, we'll move to effects. I have screenshotted my Facebook profile also. Go to effects and click on overlay. Then you click on that add image and add the image you screenshotted. I'm going to add my profile that I just screenshotted. I'll use my hand to adjust it. I increase it first and then use my hand to adjust it to be bended sideways the way the paper is. So just calm down and use your hand to bend it sideways. So after doing that and I set it to my satisfaction, I'm going to click the line in between those two places standing like this thing and go to multiply. Then I will increase both of it and click on this button like a cleaner and use it to clean the excess at the bottom side. All right, can you see it now? So you can actually use PixArt to do the same thing, but me, I prefer using this Polish. Then you mark it and save to your gallery. It is automatically done. Can you see it now? It's just as simple as that. So here we are. We have just created a burning paper Facebook profile tutorial. So a link to the burning paper I downloaded will be included in the description of this video, so you can download it directly from there to your gallery and try recreating your own image with the burning paper. So I've just saved it to my gallery now and automatically it will appear in my gallery. So make sure you download the picture and retry it. I'll see you in the next video.